Intermittent fasting is a pattern of eating that involves cycling between periods of eating and periods of fasting. It is not a diet, but rather an eating pattern that specifies when to eat and when to refrain from eating. Intermittent fasting has been shown to have a number of potential health benefits, including weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, reduced inflammation, and improved brain function. There are several ways to do intermittent fasting, and the approach that works best for you will depend on your individual preferences and lifestyle. Here are some common methods. Time-restricted feeding. This involves limiting your daily eating window to a certain number of hours. For example, if you choose an 8-hour eating window, you would eat all of your meals within that 8-hour period and fast for the remaining 16 hours of the day. This approach is often referred to as the 16/8 method. Alternate day fasting. This involves alternating between days of normal eating and days of fasting, where you consume little or no food. On fasting days, some people choose to consume a limited amount of calories, while others choose to consume no calories at all. 5-2 diet. This involves eating normally for 5 days of the week and restricting calories to 500 to 600 per day on 2 non-consecutive days. Periodic fasting. This involves longer periods of fasting, such as several consecutive days, followed by periods of normal eating. One example is the 24-hour fast, where you consume no food for 24 hours once or twice a week. 16/8 method. The 16/8 diet is a type of intermittent fasting that involves limiting your daily eating window to 8 hours and fasting for the remaining 16 hours of the day. This approach is also known as time-restricted feeding. To follow the 16/8 diet, you would typically choose an 8-hour period during the day to eat your meals, such as 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. or 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. During the remaining 16 hours of the day, you would refrain from consuming any calories, although you can still drink water, coffee, or tea. The 16/8 diet is popular because it is relatively easy to follow and can be adapted to suit individual preferences and schedules. Some people find it easier to skip breakfast and eat their first meal of the day later in the morning, while others prefer to skip dinner and eat their last meal of the day earlier in the evening. Here are some ways in which intermittent fasting can affect our body. Weight loss. Intermittent fasting can help with weight loss by reducing calorie intake and increasing fat burning. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting can lead to significant weight loss, especially when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. Improved insulin sensitivity. Insulin is a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. Intermittent fasting has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which means your body can use insulin more efficiently and effectively. Reduced inflammation. Inflammation is a natural response of the immune system to injury or infection. However, chronic inflammation can contribute to many diseases. Some studies have shown that intermittent fasting can reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Improved heart health. Intermittent fasting may help reduce risk factors for heart disease, such as high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and high triglyceride levels. Increased autophagy. Autophagy is a natural process in which the body cleans out damaged cells and cellular debris. Intermittent fasting has been shown to increase autophagy, which may have anti-aging effects and protect against diseases such as cancer and Alzheimer's. Intermittent fasting can lead to weight loss by creating a calorie deficit in the body. When you fast, you restrict your calorie intake, which can result in weight loss if you are consuming fewer calories than your body needs to maintain its current weight. Increased fat burning. When you fast, your body needs to find alternative sources of energy to fuel itself. One of these sources is stored fat. Intermittent fasting can increase the body's ability to burn fat for energy, which can lead to weight loss. Improved insulin sensitivity. Insulin is a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. Intermittent fasting has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which means your body can use insulin more efficiently and effectively. This can help prevent insulin resistance, which is a risk factor for obesity. Reduced hunger. Some people find that intermittent fasting helps reduce hunger and cravings, which can make it easier to stick to a lower calorie diet and lead to weight loss. It's important to note that weight loss with intermittent fasting can vary depending on several factors, such as the length and frequency of fasting periods, the types and amounts of foods consumed during the eating periods, and individual differences in metabolism and activity level. It's also important to maintain a healthy and balanced diet during the eating periods to ensure that your body is getting the nutrients it needs. Additionally, it's important to stay hydrated and to consume nutrient-dense foods during your eating periods to ensure that you're meeting your nutritional needs. However, it may not be suitable for everyone, and it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you for watching.